You got to set a start allowing it to happen. And don't go backwards like Lot's wife did, because the only thing back in the past is worry, stress, fear, and pain. You got to continue moving forward past all of that. You want to be healthy? Then ask yourself, what do people who's physically and mentally healthy think about? What do people who are mentally healthy think about? What do they talk about? What do they take into themselves? Because food is more than what you eat. What do they do with their time? This is a lot to consider when you consider thinking about being healthy and happy. You see, this makes you accountable. And this is just the tip of the iceberg for when you start considering a much better future than where you possibly are. So figure out whether you truly see that there is this universal power and it's working in your favor and you can connect to it. But be careful. Be very careful of what you wish for, because you might just get it.